Hello and welcome to our channel. Welcome to our video. Feel free to leave comments down below. How often, while you're in your RV, chilling for the evening, the lights above your head are too bright? You'd like to dim them for multiple reasons, including watching television and just having some quiet time. Here's how you can swap out your existing puck lights with some dimmable lights. The lights that I purchased are the ASCU 12-volt dimmable LED puck lights from Amazon. The first thing you want to do is find the electrical source and remove the fuse. Mine, of course, are the 12-volt. Pull the fuse. Remove the cover from the existing light. Remove the screws that hold it to the ceiling. Drop down the light to find the wiring. I cut the wires and stripped about 1/2 inch. I then used a quick connect devices to connect the black wire to the black wire and the white wire of the white wire to the new light. After connecting the wires, secure the clips and the wires with some electrical tape. After tucking the wires back into the hole, install the new light, screw it into place. These 3 lights are above the dining table, which is beside the couch on the slide out. These are the 3 that I chose to replace with dimmable lights. This really helps when it's time to watch TV or just not have such bright light above your head. These lights above the table are indeed operated by an on-off switch that's on the wall, which is still functional after installation of these dimmable lights. These lights dim and brighten by holding in the center button. You hold it, it dims. Continue to hold it, it gets bright. Really hard to pick this up on the camera. You can also turn them off and on with those buttons as long as the wall switch is in the on position. Another advantage of choosing to replace the lights with individual dimmable lights is that you can choose to have 1 on, dim or bright, 2 on, dim or bright, 3 on, dim or bright.